Okay, what are we doing here?
Well, we're trying to get the knob off of the other part. So we need a hammer.
Yeah, I always say a hammer works, you know, nothing else.
But it's not coming yet, but it will. It will definitely come off pretty soon. We're going to take the pin, we're going to poke the pin in. Okay? You ready?
Okay.
All right. There we go. Poke. And we're going to take the hammer and get the knob off. Right? See, we can do this all day. But we're in a limited time frame here. And people are depending on us to get their locks worked on in the right manner. On time. Just like EPS, you know, we're always on time.
One of the questions we had
it's brown.
One of the questions we had from our viewers was, how did you become a locksmith?
It was kind of like feast or famine. We knew what to do, and we did it, and doggone it, we liked it, and it was good.
But you started out as an apprentice, right?
Yes, I had a old school locksmith friend, and he showed me all the ropes. And he taught me how to do this. This is one really good trick. How to save a lock from Mark. Mark gets his hands on it, and you know what? The next thing you know, it's destroyed. But luckily this way we're going to save the rest of the lock here. We'll save it all right. Save it until next year. Is it coming? No, of course not. No way. No way, Jose. You know, it'd be funny if I was hitting the wrong spot on this lock. Can you imagine that? Can you imagine if I was hitting the wrong stupid pin and it just came off really easy? Would that? No, that would be impossible. I've been doing this too long. I know locks inside and out. And they know me. Because I just dented that one. Oh.
I don't know if the customer's going to be really happy with this when you're done.
Well, it's kind of like a forged look, you know. It'll look good once I bang it back out, you know. It takes a while for it to come off the knob. And I'm not just saying that, you know. A lot of times people think I don't know what I'm doing, but I do. I really do. See, there's a clip in here, and it holds the whole thing in place, so you can actually remove the knob just by doing that. It's a process known as forging, or more like cheating. And you wonder why I don't have that many customers. Well, maybe this is the reason why. I think some of them, they say, well, how long have you been doing this, sir? And I go, all day, ma'am. And they believe me. Yep, and they believe me. Here we go. Okay, let's try it one more time here.